very important phrase, eh? So Rawiri, tell me you have a pen. Oh boy. Miss, tell me you got a book. Yeah, boy. Jacob, tell me you got a phone.
I don't know the word for phone.
So when you don't know where to go, hea te kupu phone. Hea te kupu Māori phone. Ka pai?
Hiaha,
Te kupu Māori
te kupu Māori,
phone.
phone.
Okay? Then we all can ask, you can tell us. Waia. Waia pukaro. Okay?
Waia pukaro.
So tell me you have a phone.
He waia pukaro. Taku.
Ka pai. Okay? So all you got to remember, in Maumahara, te rerenga kōrero is he pātai tāku, he pātai tāku, he pēni tāku, he ipu tāku, container. He puka puka tāku, ka pai? He waia tāku. You can do that until you get it. Okay, you every day. It's what you do after you walk through those doors. That's where it will happen. I'm just throwing out some. I'm the kai whakaako ai. I'm just feeding you. That's why you put kai in front. I'm feeding you a whole lot of information that you can take with you and work with it, eh? You need to go home. So those who are not quite sure on their colours, hey, me ako, nā tai, or nā rākau. Okay, you've got to learn your colours. It's part of the reo, you know, the colours. You've got to learn the colours. You've got to know your numbers. Okay, it's more than just going tahi rua toru wha. That's it. We need to go right into the thousands, man, into the millions. Kia pai? You actually need to know. If somebody asks you when you were born, you can tell them in te reo Māori. Kia pai? You need to know all these things. Okay? And we're going to get into numbers as we go on. But anyway, Millie, kei he nā rākau katoa, and it's not on the table. Okay? Kauri te tip.
Kei runga te rākau kōwhai i te rākau kaka. He raro te rākau kaka i te rākau kōwhai.
Ka pai.
He roto te rākau kakariki i te whare. Kei waho te rākau kei tua te rākau tango i te waka whenua. Kei muri te rākau kiparani. Kei Wainganui te rākau kaira i ngā rākau wā.
Ka pai.
Kei Whirinoa ngā rākau mana i te rākau kaira.
Ka pai. You're going to be doing this next week, bro. I'm kidding. Ka pai?
Ka pai.
He pātai a koutou, any questions on that? Before we go to the next Ka pai?
Well, we have 2 questions.
Ka pai. Okay, just drop the T. Just drop the T. Okay? Okay. So if you said to me, he pātai tāku, and you got more than, you're only going to get the one because you said he pātai tāku. But if you said, he pātai aku, it means I have more than one. Ka pai. If you got 10, I'm going to stop you at 2. Ka pai?
Oh, so if you say, I've got money, it'll be here money. Okay.
It depends how much you got. Normally you have the money like it's like in one club like that, right? Like it's one whole. But if you've got them scattered everywhere, it changes.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? If you've got some separated in this pocket and some in that pocket and that in some in the purse, you know, so it can be. You have to change it. You just got to think about it when you do it. We say, e te whānau. We put te on it because whānau is one group, eh? It's one group of people. It's the whānau there. E te whānau. It's not nā whānau. If it was nā whānau, that means you've got this group of people here, got that group of people there, got this group of people here. Then it becomes nā whānau because it's just one whānau here, one whānau there, one whānau there, one. You know what I mean? Ko marama?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's one clobberant. Depending if you've got a whole bunch of money, if you showed it on the table here. Okay. But if you've got groups of them, you know, it changes. And you'll understand as we go along, and you'll hear them saying it. Why don't we say, e nā whānau? Because whānau is one. E te whānau. We're one. And then if there's another whānau over there, well, it's now nā whānau. There's one here and one over there, look. Ko marama? Ka poi.
Do you say e te whānau? Do you say e te rangatira?
Yeah.
Or just te rangatira?
E te rangatira.
Oh, okay.
It's like saying, iho.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, no, for some reason.
Same sort. I guess if you want to say, especially if you've got a Māori name, you'll go e and their name to get their attention, eh? It's the same sort of that little word that's stuck in there at the front. Mua I te kupu, eh? Oh, I te reading a kōrero. So e te whānau, e ho mā.
Oh, I just thought if the longer it was, you don't put e. Okay.
And what it's actually doing is, it's very hard to, when you use e, because there's more, like the word whānau. One, two, three vowels in there, right? To get the e whānau, it's e te whānau. So they put this word here, this letter here, or words actually, because this one here has only got no more than two vowels. This will follow. Okay. That's why they put this in there. We're going to learn it as we go along. Why do we have that in front of there? Why do we have two? Noho. It's all got to do with these vowels here. Why we put that there. We're going to learn it as we go along. At some places you cannot put the air there because it's got too many vowels in it. And so what they do is they put this te in there. And it breaks it up. You're going to learn about it. It's quite neat actually as you see it. As you go along and you say, oh, I can't use it in there. Because of the amount of vowels that are in there. Well, that's later on. Okay? It is very technical. Our language is quite neat, actually. It helped me to speak English correctly.
Yeah.
You know? It's like, for instance, I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat. That means, in my mind when I say I'm going to eat, you know? What does that mean? If you said I'm going to eat in Māori, that means I'm going to this place over here to have a feed. But my food's sitting down there. You understand that?
Yes.
Where in Te Reo Māori we say, ka kai ahau, I will eat. Kei te kai ahau, now I'm eating. So you got, English is so, it actually helped correct my English learning Te Reo Māori. I mean, when we did school C, I only got 21% in my school C. But I tell you what, if they had school C where you could speak it instead of write it, because I was no good at writing, that's why you probably see I don't have any notes. You know? But if I were able to speak it, I could have probably got more. I probably got my 30%. I used to love doing show and tell,
Yeah.
get up and tell a story. Yeah, I used to tell it every time, mate. Yeah, it's about the first one of every time. Yeah, I'll tell you a story about that weekend. Anyway, can't wait. Okay. Maunga, eh? Tihi o te maunga. Kōrero mai?
Tihi o te maunga.
Pūtake o te maunga.
Pūtake o te maunga.
Ka pai? Yeah. Taumata.
Taumata.
Taumata. Taumata o te maunga. It's the fact that it's right. Taumata. It's like this. Plato, yeah. Taumata o te maunga. Ka pai? Tihi o te maunga.
Tihi o te maunga.
Pūtake o te maunga.
Pūtake o te maunga.
And taumata.
Taumata.
Taumata. T-A-U. Taumata. Tau. Ka pai? Tihi. We have a word called, well, we don't even, well, we speak, it's called raro tonga. Raro tonga. Tonga means south, eh? Raro means below, south of the equator. That's where raro tonga is. Okay? Tonga means south. Raro tonga. It's below the equator. Yeah. We got a place like that here in Rotorua, eh? Tihi o Tonga. Tihi o Tonga. It's the highest point south of Rotorua, eh? Funny way we say it, we don't say, how the heck did we get that name there? Because it's the highest point. Tihi o Tonga. It's the highest point south. Ka pai? Okay, ka pai. So this is where is something again? Okay. Kei hea te waka whenua. Kei te pūtake o te maunga. Yeah. This is a little bit slightly different. Kei hea te waka whenua, kei te pūtake o te maunga. Okay? We're changing it a little bit here. Okay? Kei hea te rākau mā. Kei te tihi o te maunga. Ka pai? Kei hea te rākau karera. Kei te taumata o te maunga. Ka pai? Okay? O te, of the mountain. Of the mountain, if you want to. Okay? So, kei hea, Dwayne, kei hea te rākau mā.
Kei te tihi o te maunga. Te rākau mā. O te rākau.
Te rākau mā. Jill, kei hea te waka whenua.
Kei te pūtake o te maunga te waka whenua.
We missed you out, the last one.
I don't feel offended. I'm not offended.
I am! that you never told me.
You didn't ask.
Because we started
I
still
didn't have
not
it.
going around here. Rawiri, kei hea te rākau karera.
Kei taumata.
Kei te taumata.
Kei te taumata. O te mauna. I te...
Just te
Karia. No.
Te rākau
Te rākau.
karera.
Karera. I never get that thing.
Karera. Ka pai? Maz, kei hea te waka whenua.
Kei pūtake,
Kei te.
kei te pūtake.
It's a little bit slightly different to Kei mua, okay? People say, now what's the difference, okay? Okay? Kei roto, kei runga, kei raro, kei roto, they're all set. These are set. The tihi can be moved, did you know that? The tihi can be on another mountain, eh? It's not, it's like, in the Putaki, it's not, it's like, what's the word I'm looking for? You can understand as we go along. I'll think about it as I'm going along because I need to explain to you. Okay, it's kei te tihi o te maunga. It's not kei tihi o te maunga. It's kei te. Okay, kei te tihi. It's the top, basically. The top of the mountain. The taumata of the mountain. The base of the mountain. That's what you're saying. Where we say in the other one, it's inside the house, outside the house. Right?
Position.
This is position.
Still
Yeah,
got
yeah.
Bella's position too.
Yeah, I know.
But the mound is so big. Is that what you mean?
No, it'll come back to me. I have got an answer for that. I've just got to think about it as I'm going.
Yeah, it sounds like the top.
Yeah.
That top,
Yeah,
the
the top of
base,
the
that
Not
Back
the we don't say the inside of the house. We say inside the house. Okay, boy?
Yeah.
Did you get that?
I know.
No.